Hey guys, in this video, I am going to share with you exactly how to type emojis on your MacBook. If you are rocking one of the recent Apple Silicon MacBooks or using the new Magic Keyboard, you can bring up the character viewer with just a single key. Simply press the FN key once on your keyboard. Then, just double-click on the emojis you want to insert into the text box of whatever app you are using. If that key is not working for you, go ahead and switch to the keyboard shortcut Control-Command-Space. That will pop up the character viewer window right away. And finally, if the shortcut isn't working on your Mac either, let's set it up manually. Open your system settings. Scroll all the way down and select Keyboard. Next, under the Text Input section, click the Edit button next to Input Sources. From there, go ahead and toggle on the setting for Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. Now, you will see a new icon appear right up here on your menu bar. Click on it and select Show Emoji and Symbols, and the character viewer will show up. So, I have shared with you all the ways you can type emojis to easily spice up your documents, chat apps, or even when commenting on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.